Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPK. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this analysis before in the past. It's been quite a while, and talk about just a crazy movement. The majority came this afternoon, but just technically speaking, looking at the chart, it's amazing how the price had respected this purple line here, which is the famous 50-day simple moving average, and even was respecting it, on the day. However, it did end up collapsing, and down it went from there. So just, I'm not saying that's the reason why things got so nasty, but, just very, very fascinating, and why I think charts are always worth keeping an eye on, why I use them, because, just weird how things like that line up and end up working out. But after, like I said, the crazy movement down, a lot of people talking about it, a lot of eyeballs on it, myself included. So I want to map out a couple of areas of support and resistance. First level of support, the price did manage to get back up above and close above, and that is the very famous 200-day simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, a very surface deep understanding, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-day simple moving average, and you know that from a bullish perspective, that is, you want to see the price stay above it when the price is up above it, and temporarily the price dropped below it, but like I said, it did manage to fight back and get up above that level. So that is certainly the preferable area of support that you want to see the price continue to hold going into next week. If that level cannot hold, the next overall level, down here right at $3.60, and which I think is very possible. We'll have to see how the price reacts around that pink line. I mean, if it can hold the 200-day, then great. But if the price starts to, bleed down below there, then I'm not saying it's headed down here in a matter of a couple of days. But, I don't think it would be shocking at all to see the price come down here and at least retest 360, which at that point creates a very, very interesting setup because, yeah, last time the price got around 360, you can see ultimately a very nice bounce occurred from it. Am I saying that if it hits 360, it's for sure guaranteed bouncing again? No, there's no such thing as a guarantee. But because of this past history and because the chart is showing us what has occurred, in the past, it makes it a very, logical. It makes it a very interesting location to wonder if a bounce could potentially happen from there. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because after the bearish momentum today, top priority right now by far is not breaking levels of resistance. It's all about stabilizing and trying to consolidate, preferably above the 200-day, but certainly up above 360. I mean, if this thing breaks down below 360, then the chart is having severe problems at that point in time. So next week should be pretty interesting. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.